what it means.
Yes, excited na ba kayo?
It's so fun. I had the best time working on this project. I put my whole trust on my production and they did not let me down. Talagang I felt safe while doing this whole movie and sana mag-come across and makuha ng mga tao yung mensahe ng film.
Ano ba yung mensahe?
Well, this movie doesn't only ask for equality. It demands it. And it's so exciting because it's Pride Month and yun nga, as you said, MJ, it means so much right now. Especially sa anong nangyayari sa mundo. Alam naman natin, ang hirap manood ng balita ngayon dahil sa mga kung ano-ano nakikita natin, especially when the talks of gender come in.
Last question from me na lang. Huling usap natin, sabi mo sa akin, hindi mo i-invite si Dominic.
Hindi, in-invite ko naman siya.
Okay.
Pero ano lang yun, courtesy lang yun. Kumbaga, para lang masabi. Pero hindi niya papanoorin. Bibili ko lang na to. Baka mapadasal talaga siya. Oo. Mapapapikit siya, mapapadasal talaga siya na bakit ba nandito? Siya lang sa lahat ng tao ang hindi pa rin.
Sino si Sue kapag nawala ng sample behind you?
Si Sue ay si Sue pa rin. Kung ano, kahit daliri ko mawala, okay lang. Diba? Si Sue pa rin ako, appendix ko. Si Sue pa rin ako, isang kidney. Si Sue pa rin ako. So kung si Pucci ang mawala, I think si Sue pa rin.
So ano nga abangan sa mga kababayan this weekend sa Hong Kong?
Oh my gosh, so exciting! Yes, we will be in Hong Kong on June 14 para sa yun, no, ng The Kingdom kasama ang mga kababayan natin. So sana po ay magkita-kita tayo.
Excited sa mga kababayan sa Hong Kong na naabang sa'yo?
Sana po, I'm excited na makita po kayong lahat dahil medyo matagal din tayo. Huling nag-show kami sa Hong Kong, medyo matagal din. So I'm so excited, sana po ay makalala.
Thank you, my love.
Thank you po. We have several interviews here.
That's it. That's it.
Correct. Ito here. Gina. Hi. Congratulations. Everyone, thank you. Hi.
Okay, questions for you. Can you describe the film in one word?
Brave.
We love that. Okay, and can you complete and say the sentence for me? A woman is?
A woman is... Just one word. A woman is powerful.
Alright. One more. Two more actually. Who made you laugh the most on set?
Party naman ito.
I must say, really me, I would say Maxi.
Okay, Maxi. What does this film mean to you, Maxi?
Oh my gosh, this means so much to me. That's what I've been saying in my interviews. The film is not only as it is, it's so deep. It means so much, especially in the world today where we have to fight for like gender equality and everything. And this film is so brave to fight for those voices. And I'm so excited that people will see this film.
We are very excited.
Thank you
so much.
Here with
Hey!
Young Star and Metro Doctor.
Hey, kaya cute naman na ito.
So I am Andrea from Young Star.
Yes,
So
hi.
since young ang readers namin, do you have any advice for your younger self?
To my younger self, well, my solid foundation has always been my home. So whenever you feel lost, I just advise myself to go back home. And I will feel loved again. I will feel accepted again. And that's the only thing I can advise.
Beautiful answer. Thank you so much. Congratulations.
Hello. Hi. Should I hold it?
Yeah. Okay, so what's the most challenging part about your portrayal here in the film?
Well, obviously, we cannot do any research or look for somebody who lost their Pucci. But maybe that's definitely not the hardest part. It's actually being able to successfully get the message across is, I think, the most important thing about this film. And with the help of the whole production, I think we did a good job in doing that, and I hope our viewers can see that and appreciate what we did.
Okay, sorry, one more. What about womanhood? Yung pwede namin matutunan in this film?
Womanhood, that whatever is between our legs don't define who we are. Being a woman is so powerful, but also being every gender is powerful. So that's the meaning of this movie. It's not about women empowerment. It actually speaks for equality.
Last na, bakit namin kailangan
watch is Patrick Tabada masterpiece. Hindi lang po ako dahil ako yung artista nito, kundi dahil napaka-genius talaga ni Direk Patrick. And I think talaga siya yung hidden gem ng Philippine cinema. And it's so exciting that movies like this are finally on the big screen. And ang tapak